Good afternoon, Old Celtic Farmer here. Myers lemon, I got it transplanted in the ground. You can see it's starting to bloom again. That's what's nice about here in Florida. And we got our moringa. It's coming back real good this year. It'll freeze out, then it'll come back again next year. And we got our ruby red grapefruit that we got transplanted in the ground for this. Now's the time to transplant them and get them ready for the winter. What I want to show you is a couple of things over here on this hugelkultur. I made a previous video about the Straw-Bale garden, how I made up a couple of small totes and cut out the bottoms. All of this Asian melon, every bit of this Asian melon is coming from that one Straw-Bale. I'm going to talk about that here in a second, but I want to show you a couple of other things. Right here, as you can see, is I got a couple of okra plants, some Brussels sprouts, my peppers. What I've done is I have pulled them and put them on the hugelkultur so that they can go ahead and finish out the season. Now it looks like they are dying and that they are dead, but remember, I plant organic. I don't use pesticides. And if you notice that the leaves on top here are taking hold, and as they continue to grow and produce, you can see just the amount of cuts, how many peppers that we have cut off of these plants. Same way for the Brussels sprouts, and you can tell how tall our okra is, how much okra we have harvested and sold to consumers. This is just a very few. I don't show everything. Getting back over here to this Asian melon, we've already harvested Asian melon. We have already delivered them to our customers. You can see we got some there. And there's some more growing there, and they're all through here. And again, that is off of that one Straw-Bale. And here's some more peppers we transplanted. Every bit of this is off of that Straw-Bale. So like I said, the Straw-Bale does have its pros, it does have its cons. And you can imagine just how much you can actually grow just with a Straw-Bale, just by doing it a little bit of what they don't tell you on YouTube, and some of the other people, they don't tell you, just by doing some of the things that here at what I tell you to do, because I will walk you through it every step of the way. And again, we have transplanted our grapes, and they are just doing phenomenal. Come around here to our pineapple guava. It's the jungle back here right now, and we're getting ready for all the fall planting. Yes, you are correct. This is those fig trees that now tower over top of me. I've already cut them back some so that they'll produce next year. You top them, and then they come back even with full fury. I've transplanted the blueberry bushes. You can see that they're doing quite well. And we'll come over here. Got the apple trees, loquats. More apple trees, our pecan trees, peach trees, plum trees. Our bees back there are content. I leave them alone, they leave me alone. And we're getting ready for phase 2, and I hope that you will subscribe and follow along with me, because I'm getting ready for phase 2 of fall planting. Like I said, here on Cheris Gardens on Old Celtic Farmer, we plant and harvest 4 times a year. We're not like a typical farmer that grows out and just plants one crop and harvests, or maybe two crops and harvest. We plant spring, summer, winter, and fall, and we harvest spring, summer, winter, and fall. And also I can show you, if you live in a cold country climate, I can show you how to plant and grow all that. I was a plumber in Anchorage, Alaska for years. I had a garden up there, and I have been all over the nation. I've been in 49 states. Hawaii is the last one I've got to attend. I've lived in a lot of those states, so I can share everywhere from growing in Arizona and New Mexico and California climates up to Kansas and Nebraska, clear over into Missouri, up into Washington State, up into Connecticut, Florida, Georgia, Texas. I've been in all the zones, and I can plant and grow in all the zones. Y'all have a blessed day. See you next time.